Alright, so picked up some 13-inch Panasport wheels for the Lada. I actually got these for a very good price. They've been sitting down in a shop for like years. Alright, so today I'm gonna be showing you some wheels that I got for the Lada. They're 13 by 6 Panasports. I'm gonna take them outside so we can see better with the sunlight. Alright, so at the back of the wheel we have the made in Japan, if you can see that, and we also have the manufacturing sticker here from the factory. The date seems to be February 19th 1993. PCD, the bolt pattern, it's 4x98. That's a Fiat Lada bolt pattern. Offset seems to be plus 16. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna have to order some lug bolts for these wheels. The Lada uses bolts and not lug nuts, so I'm gonna have to get the bolts that have the acorn style tapered for these wheels. I also need to figure out what tire size to actually use. I'm new to all of this 13-inch stuff, and these tires are really hard to get in like lower profile sizes. So I'm thinking 175 60 13, or if I can get 175 maybe 50 13 if there's such a thing. But I'm gonna have to do some research on that and see what sizes that I can get in Jamaica, or maybe I need to just import them. But I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Okay, the next thing that I need to figure out is how to lower the car. I decided to do a static drop with low-end springs. But what I probably need to do first is to actually mount the wheels, the Panasports, on the car with tires and see how much I need to lower the car by. The roads are pretty much horrible here, so I can't go too low. The options that I see online are 50 millimeter, 70 millimeter, and 90 millimeters low-end springs. 90 is a bit too much. It's either between 50 and 70.